Have you ever pondered the significance of eco-friendly landscaping in your garden? As environmental concerns mount, it offers a practical and beautiful solution. It's all about harmonizing nature and design. Now you might ask, how exactly does eco-friendly landscaping work? Well, the secret lies in using native plants. Unleashing the power of native plants in your garden can transform it into an eco-friendly haven. These natural wonders are adapted to local conditions, which means they require less water, saving this precious resource. Additionally, they are resistant to most pests and diseases prevalent in their native areas, reducing the need for harmful pesticides. But that's not all. These plants can significantly increase local biodiversity. By choosing to grow native plants, you're directly contributing to the preservation of your local ecosystem. They provide food and shelter for local wildlife, from birds to bees and even butterflies. Let's consider some examples. In the Pacific Northwest, the western red cedar thrives. In the Midwest, you might find the purple coneflower flourishing, and in the South, the beautiful southern magnolia is a common sight. You see, native plants are not just a pretty sight, they are the heroes of eco-friendly landscaping. Now comes the exciting part. It's your turn to make an impact with your own eco-friendly landscaping project. Start small, perhaps with a splash of native flowers in your backyard. As you learn and grow, so will your garden. Get your hands dirty, feel the earth beneath your fingertips, and watch as your little corner of the world transforms. Seek out more knowledge, experiment with different plants, and let your outdoor space be a reflection of your commitment to our planet. Remember, every green thumb contributes to a greener world. As we wrap up, we hope you've been inspired to explore the world of eco-friendly landscaping. Remember, your choice to use native plants not only beautifies your garden, but also supports our ecosystem. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly tips. Together we can make our gardens and our world a better place.